Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Nangangaliwa. Na-nga-nga-liwa. Nangangaliwa, meaning having an affair. Mangga. Mangga. Mangga, meaning mango. Maangas. Ma-a-ngas. Maangas, meaning cool. Manok. Manok. Manok, meaning chicken. Aso. Aso. Aso, meaning dog. Timba. Timba. Timba, meaning bucket. Tubig. Tubig. Tubig, meaning water. Pintura. Pintura. Pintura, meaning paint. Gulong. Gulong. Gulong, meaning wheels. Gulong-gulo. Gulong-gulo. Gulong-gulo, meaning really confused. Tuko. Tuko. Tuko, meaning gecko. Palaka. Palaka. Palaka, meaning frog. Bakal. Bakal. Bakal, meaning metal. Basag. Basag. Basag, meaning broken or shattered. Ito. Ito. Ito, meaning this. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, meaning that. Burahin. Burahin. Burahin, meaning to erase. Pambura. Pambura. Pambura, meaning eraser. Dibdib. Dibdib. Dibdib, meaning chest. Hikaw. Hikaw. Hikaw, meaning earrings. Quintas. Quintas. Quintas, meaning necklace. Natataranta. Natataranta. Natataranta, meaning panicking or hasting. Kaibigan. Kaibigan. Kaibigan, meaning friend in casual way. Kaibigan. Kaibigan. Kaibigan, meaning friend in formal way. Kaibigan. Kaibigan. Kaibigan, meaning boyfriend or girlfriend or someone you're in committed relationship with. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!